Hello guys, so today we are gonna learn these three topics: built-in method. So this is a you can say topic which will where we will cover the built-in method for different things available in JavaScript like string or number methods and these array method and object method. Okay, and we will cover these, and after that we will cover these two new global objects, reflect and proxy, and how it will become means how it will you can say make our life easy, developer life easy, and what are the benefit. We will learn by example to this, and this is the last topic which will the tail call function and what is the advantage and why will mean in a recursion function why we need to go with this known tail and white tail and what is the advantage we will get with this. We will go through that. Okay, so function. Okay, so as you guys learn means in our previous chapters what is string, what is array, and how you can in even our previous lectures we learn about the set and map and how to use their function and properties. So for this specific data type like string, we have some method which you can utilize. Okay, like this. So these are the include method which will check the particular you can say substring is available there or not in a given string. If you can see if we in this is our input, okay, and we are checking include. It's include this or not. If it's include then it's true, and if we start with Java, which is okay, so it's returning true, and it's end with and it's also returning true, and the repeat means if you want to repeat for that if you do this with the help of loop as well, but this is a tedious task, but with the help of repeat you can do this very easily and ha ha ha. Okay, so this make life our developer life easy. And apart from that, this is for your example, there is a you can say a lot more for this inbuilt function. Like if you check this character at, code at, include, index of, last index of, length, this is a property. And with the help of this symbol you can understand this is a you can say method, and with the help of this style symbol you can understand this is a property. Okay, local compare, match, pad start, repeat, replace all, substring, split. Okay, so there are a lot of maths function which you can explore and learn more. Make sense? Just for simplicity, we will cover these, but we have lot of these, and I want you will as your assignment you will learn those. Any question or concern, guys, regarding these methods? Jitendra, Kapil, Shivani,
No, sir.
are we
No
good?
idea, sir. Hmm.
Okay. So right now means we will, if you know means we not cover this prototype thing, but prototype is a you can say base, and if you want to use before this you can say string method, prototype is always there. Okay, so if you want to check this means let me show you this prototype thing so that you can have some glimpse of prototype. Okay, so let me open control shift new, and object. There is no need to go there. Let me call this. Let me print this. Prototyping dot repeat. Means it's want to say means you are doing this. Okay. Developer writing this, but under the hood, this is JavaScript know this thing. Make sense? So every object in a JavaScript have a prototype. Make sense or not? Let me do this str JavaScript. Okay. How can I show you this prototype thing? Just a minute. Prototype. Okay. Console dot log not prototype type Chrome inspector. Not interested. Tab tool display. So right now, this is you can say proto, it's a you can say prototype. Means whatever means earlier, if we talk about this before ES6 and things, you are able to see this normal thing prototype in your browser when you debug any HTML or CSS project, then you will normally do that. Let me try to give you this. Let me try this website. So this is a core of you can say in JavaScript, and if you have any you can say JavaScript object, then you are able to see there is a prototype is always there. Okay, and whatever you are able to do with this means your ES6. Before ES6 you can do that with the help of prototype and deep knowledge of JavaScript, but you can say this make your life easy. With the help of that you can do the things which earlier means you require lot of knowledge and things. Okay, no worries. I am not to get a right example, but this is a if you check anything in your browser, then you will get this. Okay, or let's create one you can say HTML one, and we will go through that. You understand what is this prototype or no? High level you understand, guys? This prototype.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If time allow, we will cover that as well. Prototyping in a one simple example. Okay. So same thing applicable for number. If you are using this number, uh, then you can use this. Means check the number is nan, not a number, not a number. Then you can say this is nan. If you will say true, if nan, if it's false, we are passing this. It's a number or not. Nan or not means we are and is saying is nan is false. But is integer, is float, or is not float. There are a lot of things. Let's say number dot this. Okay, so these are the properties, but these are the method. Is nan, is safe integer. Safe integer means it's this integer is in a given range or not. Okay, make sense? Or we are good with this? Hmm. So built-in methods. Uh, JS node. Hmm. Let me run this for you guys. Open node. Node. ES6. So it's working. Okay. So this is for string methods and it's working fine. And nan is also a type. With the help of that we are passing nan. It's doing that. And true, false. This is output of your number like this. True, false, true. And is integer? No, it's not an integer, so it's a false. Make sense? And so if we use this label, then global is nan. So what is the advantage? If you it's is also available on global scope, but its number is nan is a more, you can say, reliable than the whatever available on our global scope. And check if the number is integer or not. Okay. Any question or concern, guys, regarding this, regarding string methods and integer methods?
No,
No.
sir.
Okay. Array methods. So we have this array, and in this array, we are able to see, means we have a find method, find index. Okay, and find, you can say this. We are printing this found and found index, these values, what we will get, and after that we are, you can say, check the this array include this or not from array from. If we will say, means we are saying we have a string and we want to create a array out of that string, then if you pass this string, then you will get this array. Make sense? And apart from that, there is another method as well. Okay, so find will help us to find a you can say item or element based on a this given condition. If this condition is whatever item or element match with this condition, based on that you will get a result. Make sense? Okay, so here we are checking if n greater than 25, then first element whatever is matched, you will get that. Make sense? Let's say you will write 26. array is available or not. Yes, it's there. So any question or concern regarding these methods, guys? No? Or you have any doubt? If no, then just means at the place of 30, I need to print 40. Where I need to change? Shivani, Jitendra sir, and Kapil. I need to print 40 at the place of this 30. Where I need to change?
You want
You
to print
change like array.
Where
Okay, continue, sir.
in this code, where I need to do a change, so that I will at the place of 30 output I will get 40.
Sir, you change 59 line. Here you declare like 30. You change if you exchange like 40. So you get output 40.
Okay. Who is agree with the Shivani? Kapil, are you agree or you have a different thought? Jitendra, you are agree or you have a different thought?
we can do that, but we have the other solution. We can change the condition n is equal to n greater than 30.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can print.
Shivani answer is wrong. This gonna not work. This gonna not work. Let's say I will change this. Okay. You are right, Chitindra. This is a condition base. It will work. Okay. Let's say write this. Okay. So it will give you a 30 only. Found 40. Okay. Yes. Both are right. Both are right. It's my mistake because it's based on a first index, means whatever is matched, it will give output. So you guys are both are right. Good. Good. Okay, and let's say right now I want to means find a index of a, you can say print, find a index of a 40. What thing I need to change here? Here, find index. I need to
Index
change it.
40.
Yes.
Sir, 40 index is like 2012. 40. So here one के place पे you change you replace 1 to
1 2.
mm,
We will get a right output if I change 1 2. If I let's say change this to, I swap this. Could I get a right output or I need to change somewhere else?
if you swap this you get one like first um,
Check
one
carefully.
second,
Check
sir.
carefully. Jitendra, you can also try, and Kapil, you can
Yeah.
also.
So we can find the index n is equal to 30. Sorry, n is equal to 40.
Yeah, this is the right solution. Because this find index based on a condition. Whatever condition is matched, it will work accordingly. So it won't exact
If
match.
you swap number, sir, if you swap number that time it's provide like same answer, na?
No, it will checking a
Yes.
exact value. It's not checking a, you can say it will not returning a means greater than or less than. Let me change. Okay, let me change this 40. And but if we not change the value, it will not gonna work. Okay, Shivani. It will give you whatever condition is matched. Okay.
It's showing 1.
Okay, sir.
Now it will show this 0 1 2.
2 3.
But whatever is
It
matched, it will based on that it will give you an
it
index.
showed two.
Make sense or not, Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Two is correct answer.
You
Right, sir.
understand? It's based on a condition only. Okay.
Right, sir.
And if you want to, is there any way to check the index? Yes, we have another way. Apart from this, if you want to, I think so, you can do that as well. Index 1 and find index find index of 20. No, it's find index. There is a method called find index. There is another method. With the help of that, you can find a index of. Okay, with the help of value as well. Or you can give a range, search item or index number. So there are a lot of methods. So with the help of that, you can achieve that. Find index 1 console dot log find index 1 find index 1. So whatever we are printing, it's a 40 and we are get this. Okay, guys. So with the help of inbuilt method, you are do lot of things. Any question or concern? Could you move forward?
Yes, sir. No problem.
So after array, we have a, you can say, object, and these are the some facts which you need to memorize. Like this is under the hood. This is you can say under the hood. They will write for us. Iterator or right constructor. Okay. Okay. Now object methods. So you guys know this is a object, am I right? Which have some properties and values. So let's say you need to assign or need to create a, you can say, new object after means merging this object. Then we have a object dot assign method. With the help of that, it will merge both together and give us a one object. Okay. Any question or concern, guys,
No, sir.
regarding this assign?
Assign.
And apart from that assign, we have a, I think you memorize this because we used this a lot of time, like entries, values, and keys. So anyone tell me what is the difference between this three?
Key, value, entries, and yeah, assign.
Entries, keys, and values. We learn and gone through this so many times. Am I right? So what is the difference between these threes, like values, keys, and entries? Can anyone tell? Like, if we use this, what we will get? If we use this, what we will get? If we use only keys, what we will get? The keys is also there. Let's say this. Jitendra, could you answer this? Object,
Yes.
please.
Just screen visible नहीं है आपका. हाँ. Key, value, and entries.
हाँ जी.
Increase return of the complete array.
Okay. Of that object means both key and value both.
Yeah, key and value both, right.
Okay,
And
means
value will be, sorry.
when you say entry means you are talking about a whole thing. Means
Yeah.
combination of key and value. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
And object value will be written of the value, like name is equal to alias. So alias, the value will be written alias, and age is equal to 30. So 30 is the
Okay.
age.
Okay. And what about these keys? What we will get if we will run this?
Key
Could you
will
help? Yes.
return name and age.
Name and age. Good. Age. Okay, that's fine. Now we apart from that we have another method how you can check a object dot assign bind call, and you are seeing this is method coming on in our string on our array, and now it's available in object as well. Am I right? And if you want to know more about this, you can check here. Make sense? Hello, guys.
Yes.
So there, you guys don't need to go anywhere. Everything is inbuilt for you. You can check, and if still you are, and I will recommend you study these. If you need to learn the things and do go deep into that, you need to study these. Okay,
Just
make sense, and learn how to. These are the parameter. This arg and objective, which of these keyword and this thing. Okay, so when we move forward, then I will explain better means how you can because why this is you can say method is means same in all these three things: object, string, and array. Make sense?
right.
We will learn, and whatever we discuss, these are the you can say summary. And object method we will learn this, and apart from that you already know keys also there. So these are the best practices. This modern method for cleaner and safer code. Prefer number is nan. It's already explained. So guys, you have any question or concern till now,
No, sir.
or we are good? Could we move forward for next chapter? So in this chapter, we will discuss about reflect and proxy. Before going to discuss this topic, I need to understand from you guys what you understand from reflection or reflect and proxy in day-to-day life or simple English. If I say reflect or reflection, what you understand? What comes in your mind? Shivani? Reflect or reflection. Hello. Chitendra, Kapil.
Reflection means like pratibimb, like copy
Yes.
image.
Yes. Like means in a mirror, what you will get? You will get your own reflection. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So you are right. You are whatever you speak in Hindi, pratibimb. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So that's a thing. Okay. And what about proxy?
So proxy means that acts on behalf of another.
Yes, like normally student do a proxy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
For attendance. Am I right?
Like, yeah, प्रतिनिधि like sir, you know, uh, वो जो संदेश लेके आया करते थे, प्रतिनिधि राजा का जो संदेश था लेके आते थे, लाइक प्रॉक्सी टाइप का कहते थे ना उनको,
Yes,
प्रतिनिधि।
yes, I understand.
हाँ,
You
प्रतिनिधि।
are you are saying in that we call that in a right it's a Hindi. They are representing
राइट।
on the behalf of you can say king. They are representing there.
यस 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 यस।
And in English we will say we used another term. I forget that, but yes, proxy means we are representing another part, another person, or another thing, which we are not exactly that.
राइट।
Like Jai Shankar in of India is representing country into a you can say another country. Am I right?
यस सर।
I, so reflection a utility object. You understand? To perform standard operation similar to object but is not a object. Makes sense. Dot methods similar to object, dot methods. Make sense. And proxy allow custom behavior when interacting with the object. Like with the help of this means custom behavior, you can do a customization. Okay, without affecting real thing interacting with the object. Okay, when interacting with the object, we can allow custom behavior. So, like reflect, this is a object which you already discussed and do lot of things against this object. Am I right? So we are able to print this with the help of dot operator. Am I right? And if you don't want to use this dot operator, then you can use this way as well. Name. Okay. Both are same. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Both are same and age is 31. We are giving this and after this we are deleting. Okay.
Yes.
Now we do this, how we'll do with this reflection. Let's see that. Okay. So here we will get this with a, you can say this with a dot operator or this, but in a reflection, you can use this get method. Okay.
Yes.
They are doing same thing, but there is a provide a expose a method with the help of that you will pass anything, means any object and their property name. You will get that value.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes, sir.
And for a, they will just set this. You have a set method. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
And both are same. Here you are able to see both are same. Reflect dot set age. It will give you a 26. Okay. So it's the same is reflect set. You can say whatever is set, you will get with a dot operator. Means it will simply work as well. You understand or not?
Yes.
This way to get a value of that property and this way both are same. Okay.
Yes.
And delete method, what delete property will do, it will delete that property. Here you will use this delete this way. Now it's a with a reflection you can use this delete property. Okay. And what is the purpose of this hash? Because we learn lot of time and discuss in a previous, I think so, map. We will discuss this.
Hatch.
In
Yes. Sir.
yes.
Hatch is
And
check the value is exist in array or object.
Yes. So we are checking the that property is there or not. If there is true, otherwise it's false. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Reflect method mirror mirror, because from reflection mirror comes in your mind and it's a mirror. Am I right? Low level operations. Make sense or not?
Okay.
Reflect get set delete property has own keys. Makes sense. It's also a function which is normally used a lot in a programming. Own properties means we have this particular object have this property or not. If has, then it's move forward, otherwise not to do anything. Make sense? Make sense or not what I'm trying to say? Let's say you have a means 10 properties, and but that properties maybe means in a response is coming or not. Kapil, you think about a scenario where we have a multiple properties, but some properties are optional. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Kapil.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then if some properties are optional, and if you want to check means whatever is payload or request you will get, if property is there, then you will do that the things, otherwise there is no need to do that because it will give you an error. Make sense? For
Yes.
that you always need to use this method. It's the best fit and give you a means in that particular object that property is there or not. Okay.
Okay.
As own keys or has own key, there are multiple methods you need to explore. Okay. And
Okay.
prototype of as well. And now let's check this proxy. Proxy lets you wrap an object and interact operation, intercept operation. Like means it's a kind of wrapper, or you can say represent same object, and you will get a more power to, you can say, do the operations like get, set. Makes sense? Delete property, has, apply, or this constructor. Makes sense? Let's say this is an object. Okay, and handler, we are creating a handler method. What we are doing here, we are doing a target, and here this is a object, and in this object we are saying get and target and prop. We are checking if prop is equal to message. Okay, so based on that we are saying is equal to message, then we are getting the value of this message, and based on that prop means property, if that available, and type this is match, the key is match of this property, then we land here, and property value whatever is there, and after that we are just hard coding this intercepted. Okay, and after that we are calling this reflect, return, reflect, get, target, fallback. Okay, prop. Okay, so how will, and for this object handler we have this another method set, and it will check this type of value, means this value is a type of string, and if it's a string, then you can say you are able to see this. Okay, I mean string, then we are saying based on a prop, we are passing three values: object, property, name, and value. So it will doing this, setting the value inside property and returning true. And if it's not able to set anything, then it returning false. You understand this thing or not, Jitendra,
Yes, sir.
Kapil? Okay, so let's check this how it will work for proxy. Makes sense. So for that, we will create a new object proxy, and this is a target. Makes sense. So target with replace with this. Makes sense. And handler. This is a we will define how proxy will handle. Like you give me an example of student. Okay. In that, if student need to be a proxy of friend, am I right? Then he need to do something, am I right or wrong? Or if someone is doing somewhere, then he need to represent some agenda or have some schedule, am I right? Make sense or not? So here we are saying this is a main king, and this is a represented, and what how it's gonna represent we will define here. Make sense? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Based on that, what it will do, we will define a proxy, means how proxy will work and what is the actual and what proxy need to do. Who is gonna apply this proxy? Am I right? Or work on that. So earlier you are able to see this message value is hello. Make sense? And if we check this property, then you will get this output, message output. Make sense?
Okay, sir.
And let's say you will set the override the value of your message, and now you will print, you will get this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now you will set the value, and now it's land here. I mean, it will check, and when you check the property value, now you will get this. Make sense or not?
Okay.
So it's doing, you can say it's we are getting from here, am I right? And here we are saying this new prop. New prop means we are passing in a this proxy dot new prop. Okay. So here this is this new prop. This is a new property. Means you can set a new property as well, and we are printing the value of whatever new property we gave and what is the value. Am I right? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Proxy can be used for validation, logging or debugging, and reactive framework. Vue.js use proxy for reactivity. This framework is usually mean this proxy. Okay. Okay. So they will give us how you will use this proxy with the array example. And earlier they will give us a object. Now they will give us a array example. Okay. Now I want you guys help me to explain this. Can anyone want to help me to explain this? What do you understand from this proxy? Because they are doing same thing. Means earlier they used to do in a different line, but and two different you can say way. Now it's a different way. He doing everything here. Makes sense. So it's the same thing, but earlier, let's say if we need to drop this, let's say you can say const target array. Okay. Target array, let's say empty. Okay, we can pass here, and handler, we can copy this. Okay, and after that we can say it means this is a handler. This is the same thing. Don't be confused. Okay,
Yes, sir.
make sense. So what do you understand from this? Const handler. Okay, what do you understand from this? Const handler. Okay, handler one. I need to change this handler one. So this is same thing here at the place of this star, this prop or handler. Okay, I can replace this with the target array and I can replace this with a handler. Both are same thing. Make sense? What you understand from this? Chitendra, Kapil, Shivani, try to explain, please. Anyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Just try, man.
Yes, 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 sir. Array and handler 1 and handler 2. Target proxy value console outer log. Setting proxy prop.
So basically, proxy, you understand the concept. Proxy means it's work like a real object. Makes sense. Real array, real object. Makes sense. So we are saying, hey, initial array is empty, and we are giving a handler of this get and set with the help of get and set. We will saying that with the help of that under the hood they are called. Okay. So for this set to set a value, you require where we need to set, what property need to update, and what value we need to update. Make sense? Hello. And to when we do this, then we are doing customization as per our requirement and with the help of this reflect as well. Here they are using reflect. It's a combination of reflect as well as your this proxy. Make sense? So whatever you are passing, it is setting and getting. That's it. And means you have a under the hood when you are using this proxy, under the hood whatever pushed or this setting value is under the hood using this set value. Make sense?
Sure.
Okay.
Yes.
And it's impacting this initial object. But as I told you, it's a proxy. If something is happened wrong with this your proxy, there is no harm to your real object. Okay.
Yes.
Any question or concern regarding this reflection and proxy? So these are the things. If you don't have a proper knowledge, then you cannot utilize this because there is a there's a problem.
Okay.
Okay, best practice, use reflect inside proxy. Handler for standard behavior. Use proxy when need full control over object interaction. Make sense? Full control. Make sense?
Yes.
Don't overuse proxy and simple data structure. When it's not needed, don't use. Okay.
Okay.
Means if you are doing this for a simple operation, this is not a recommended thing. Make sense?
Yes.
So now we have a last topic of this ES6, which is you can say tail call optimization, TCO in a JavaScript. Okay. How many of you guys know recursion? What is recursion?
recursion, the recursion.
This is a basic concept of thing, means in a programming, day-to-day programming.
Yes, sir.
We used a lot recursion. Am I right? What is that?
Recursion, I think call of the function itself. I think.
Yes. And for the recursion, we require one condition. Otherwise, it will work infinitely. Okay. So, is a performance feature where the JavaScript engine can optimize recursion call that are tail position. Okay, the final action of a function. Makes sense. It avoid adding new stack frame, enabling recursion without stack overflow. Make sense?
Yes.
So without recursion, let's say you are going without recursion. So factorial, we normally use this recursion for calculate the factorial number. Okay. So no multiplication happen after recursion calls. Okay. So it's happen after recursive call. When it's called, then it's happen. And note is you say build up call stack. It will build up a call stack. Means it will maintain the stack. Make sense? But with this factorial tail, so we are, you can say, using this. This is a, you can say, returning and same thing, but factorial tail is doing this way. Makes sense? Here this and this is replaced tail position. Result is returned directly. You understand this or not? You check this. You check this condition and you check this. You observe some difference there or not? You can check here. It will taking one parameter only. It will take two parameter. Am I right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
And based on this, it will returning minus, performing minus operation here only. Am I right? And this is and multiplication here for a second parameter. This is where it's maintaining the stack. I mean, each and every time it need to do this calculation. But here it's a result returned directly. Make sense?
Okay.
In theory, if the engine support TCO, factorial would be not overflow. Okay. And in practice, most engine Chrome Fire node do not support TCO. Okay. Only Safari did historically. It's for improve our performance, but keep this thing in mind. These are not supported in this Node.js as well. Okay.
In practice, most engine Chrome will not do TCO.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and apart from that means if you still result in a stack over most environment, so which is factorial, it will work similar way as a non TCO. Okay, non tail. Make sense?
Yes.
And must be strict mode. If you need to use, you need to do this strict mode, and call must be the tail position last action, and the return value of the function must be directly return recursive call. Must not be require additional computation after the call. Make sense? So this is a way and this is not a means way. Okay. So it's a little bit tricky, but when you practice or go through again, you understand this. Manual stack iteration. So if you do this recursion, then you can do this way. Means how to understand the logic, this is a way. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the things which you need. TC allow deep recursion without Stack Overflow. It's doing deep, makes sense. Only work on strict mode and in a sporting engine, not widely supported in Node.js, Chrome, and Firefox. And I use iterative solution for a large recursive depth. Okay. Let's say when you need to do this in a JavaScript, you need to use a deep level of recursion, then it's beneficial. Makes sense. You tire recursion style for repeatedly. Use the iteration for performance and compatibility. Don't rely on TCO for production code unless you are not targeting Safari. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So we will done for
It's
today
only
lecture. Yes.
it will not work in a Safari.
It will work on a Safari, but if you are not targeting, you're targeting only Safari, then you go with this. Otherwise, don't go with this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. We are done with today class, guys.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.